Good morning! Metro QC Supreme Eagles Club. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Lamesa Watershed. Nagtatanim po kami. Tree planting po ng ating region NCR4.
Yeah, regional tree planting.
Regional tree planting. 100 to 150 seedlings ang sisikapin namin may tanim ngayong araw na to. Maraming salamat sa mga nagsuporta sa activity namin. Nasa 60 plus yung mga attendees natin ngayong araw. Maraming salamat sa umattend po from NCR4. Mabuhay po kayo lahat, mabuhay ang Agila.
Blessed with zeal of human care, we will share our lives to all humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're eagles, friends to all people, pillars of the nation. For brother,
Kahit maulan, kahit binabagyo, go ng go!
peace, equality.
Maraming salamat Metro QC Supreme Eagles Club for heeding the call of protecting the environment.
Of human care, we will share our lives.
Maraming salamat from Metro QC Supreme Eagles Club!
Ate,
Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay!